Okay, guys, I'm going to do a quick update on DJT as, man, I'm not really liking this. I'll be honest with you guys. Not really liking this. I say, guys, we can hit this EMA 20, and that's really where I would look for that next leg up. It went a little too lower than I liked, right? When you get this big pierce like this on this EMA 20, it looks, it could be downtrending. Let me see what I've seen before on this. As you can see, when you're under the EMA 20, and when you start to get like some body of the candles down from it, like this candle right here would confirm the downtrend for DJT. Like not this one because we had this wick and it came back up, and this candle signals like a lot of weakness. And as you can see, it just kept going down, 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 down. And that could show a sign here. You see how this one, it goes down and then it recorrects. I'm hoping that it tries, but as you can see, it just kept coming down. So for DJT, I looked at a variety of things here. Obviously, we have the big elections catalyst coming up, so I wouldn't be too worried about it. But if you look at the trend channel, sometimes this can happen. As you can see, you hit the resistance here, it went above it, and then we came back in the channel. We went below it, and do we come back into the channel? That's my thing. I'm not like extremely bearish. I just want to see what that next candle does. I think it's a great opportunity. Obviously, if you bought it right at the EMA 20, which is where I was looking at, you can see how much you're down by. If you do it from here to here, you're down 8%. What I like to do is about a 10% stop loss. So my 10% stop loss from this entry would be about, hold up. All right, there you go. I had a little discrepancy here. All right, so yeah, that would be, you're looking at about a 29.48. So that way it gives you a little bit of wiggle room to like, what if it just, corrects back up. But I'm not bearish on this in totally, unless if it hits that 10%, then I'll be stopped out. And then I would like to see what the next candle is. So let's see what Monday does. I don't think this should be right off because, like I said, when you go above the trend channel like this, you can go back into it. So I think I'm more leaning towards bullish. Yes, we went a little more under the EMA 20 than I liked, but I do think we can get a nice big move up due to the elections. But this is the strategy here. You had this nice big uptrend, and it was very, very nice uptrend. You see how you kept bouncing on the 5? And then you come tumbling down, and I said in all my videos, don't be surprised if this goes down to the 20. It can. I know a lot of people get nice hopium and be like, oh, DJT's going to keep going up. It can. I'm not saying it can't, but this is a very crucial area we're at right now. It should hit this area and make a new high. That's what I'm thinking. Hit this area and go up some more. Can it make a new high? Obviously, it's hard for us to see that, right? Because, we were at $55, and now we're down to $30. But, we also went from $12 all the way to $55. This could be just a cool down move, right? You had this big massive move up, cool down to the EMA 20. It's not going to be perfect. It can go under the 20. That's totally fine, But as long as it don't go drastically under, and then it has to have, if it does multiple candles under it, then yes, I'm more bearish and it'll be a downtrend. I think we can get a very nice big bull move here. And like I said here, you see how you had this big thing on the ATR4? You see how you do tend to sell off and it goes down, right? You hit the 10 and you make your move up. And then it gets near the 20 and then you make your next leg up. This right here, would signal you need to be cut out of my trade. As you can see, we go right under the 20 here and you'd be definitely stopped out. And of course, you can get this nice little reaction. But as you can see, you keep coming down. So this is more of a follow the trend idea. Big move up, and we actually had a big correction here from 55 to here. We lost about 45% of the value. We lost almost $25 in just 4 days worth. So I kind of thought this would be sell the news as the elections get closer, and we had this beautiful ATR4 touch for puts. Beautiful, right? I told you guys, it's not going to sustain this. Now, did I know it can go to the EMA 20 right away? No. As you can see on this candle here, you hit this, and you do go down. You drop 10%. Puts, print. Print. It's going to go down. I promise you it's not going to sustain that. I promise you. People are like, no, DJT is going to go up. Yes. After it reverts to the mean, which was that EMA 5. I didn't think it was going to be the 10 because this was too early. The more you have time distance not hitting this 10 and 20, you can see how lots of candles not hitting this. That's when it tends to do it. And so we had this big overreaction move up. All the retail traders are hopium and all that. So they buy it there, and then it goes down. So this is your best risk versus reward, though. The right where DJT is, I'm more of a buyer here. And if we look at just the EMA 5 and 10 from this low here, you're looking at a 20% bounce. So let's hope you guys get that. I'm cheering for you, the Bulls. And obviously, if Trump wins, this can definitely give a big move up, in my opinion. And he's leading the polls right now, so I definitely see it being a possibility. Do you want to hold it to there? That's up to you guys. But obviously, for me, I think this is a nice bounce trade up, just to the EMA, at least to the EMA 5 and 10 here. And this is kind of how I do my day trading strategy, but in a smaller time frame where I make bank doing this. But as a daily, you know, if you're swing trading, you have to do this on a daily time frame, and this is how you follow the trend. And obviously, it's not going to be perfect because, as you can see, you can hit the 20 and just bounce, or you can go under it like it did. That's why I say 10% stop loss under the EMA 20, and you should be out of it. If you're just holding it longer than that, you're just trading you're trading based on hopium. You have no trading strategy, and it's all like, oh, I hope it goes up. No, you take a trade, you have a probability of winning, and what's your odds of winning, and that's it. So just do keep that in mind, guys. But yeah, I think this is definitely bullish, though. Unless I see that next candle going down under the 20, then and like I told you my stop. Then we'll reevaluate the trade and just move on. But hope you guys like this analysis. If you guys want to join the Discord, you guys are more than welcome to join. I'll post the link down below in the YouTube comments below and in the description. And I'll take you to this free chat landing page. And it's a great community. I teach simple things like this: how to trade with the trend, how to do trend reversals, day trading, and all that stuff. But if you hit the server shop, you can see the two memberships is swing trading for $6. That's what I talked about right now. And then the day and swing trading plus is $12 a month, all inclusive. You get swing trades and day trades. I highly recommend it because day trading is my most favorite service. It's the most adrenaline rush. It's the funnest. You don't need a lot of money. Literally, people with $50 accounts are doing day trades, and they have access to 50,000. And I show you a unique way of doing that with prop firms, and how we can pass prop firms doing this day trading strategy, and you can get access to $50,000 with only $50 and trade other people's money. And I'm telling you, it's legit. It's everything. I've got massive payouts from them, so I think you guys are gonna love this. But yeah, it's $12 a month, or hit day trade alerts here, and you'll get access to highest one. Read the day trading education, swing trading education videos. It's really not that hard. Watch one a day, and I'm always going to be updating things, make sure I had the best real-time analysis and things that I like. Sometimes I see things that I need to improve the system. So if you're a subscriber, I'll update things that I see that needs improvement, and we readjust it according to the market environment. But yeah, this is really awesome. This is my analysis on DJT. I am bullish on it until I'm proven otherwise. We are at this EMA 20. Yes, we went a little bit below it, but I think we can get a nice move up from here. So we'll definitely see from there, guys. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the Discord. If you want to be there, you can message me anytime there. I also do live streams most every day, and that's this tab right here, RTK live stream. And you'll catch me here if you ever want to see me trade. Go over setups, and if you have any questions, I'm there for you guys. I want everyone to be successful. Trading is not easy. It's definitely hard. But the way I like to do it, it's just a probability game. And don't ever let anyone tell you, like, this is going to work all the time. That doesn't exist. Because a lot of people are like, man, I lost a trade. I got to find another system. That's not the best traders in the world know that they're going to lose trades. You got to understand that. The more you accept that fact, as long as you're winning more trades than losing, that's all that matters. And that's what I love to teach, and I like to give realistic results. And that's coming from me. I had to change my ways, and doing this, adapting to this system, I was able to be a full-time trader, and I think anyone can. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Give this like, subscribe, and comment. I think we can get a nice bounce from DJT here, guys. All right, peace out.